So I recently had to replace this utensil holder basket from my original dishwasher, and I wasn't sure which one to buy, and I finally got one that was similar to this, and they actually come together. The second half is right there. I'll show you that in a little bit more detail. But I want to go over why I had to replace this one, and then also the replacement that I actually got for this. So you could see here, that the plastic was disintegrating. This was after, nearly 10 years. And what would happen is that my utensils would have a very light powdery plastic substance on it. And you could see exactly why here, if I could actually get focus and zoom in, that this is all throughout this particular basket. Now the basket that I have, as you could see, strings right along the side of my dishwasher, and I was trying to find the replacement. So the one I settled with was a basket that comes apart. So let me just show you that a little bit. The second half is actually right here, where this particular basket actually comes like this. So you could see there's two halves, and the halves can stick together and snap in place like this, and become, a basket where I could actually put the entire basket down like this. So this particular model actually has very good versatility, and it's the most popular model sold by various vendors that I see on Amazon. And just to give you a go around here, you can see that's normally how you would fit the utensils and knives. And what I like about this is the versatility. So this thing comes apart. As I mentioned, I could put it here together, or I could take it apart and separate it. So, separating it, just pushing it apart. So let me unsnap it, and it comes in two pieces. Comes apart in two pieces, and what I can do is put one, hooking one along that corner, and then putting another in another location, such as here, like that. Or I could put it side by side. So I could simply put it side by side like this. So this particular one has that sort of versatility with it, which is what I like about it. The second thing I like about it is that the bottom here doesn't allow even chopsticks to fall down. The holes are small enough such that it kind of prevents that from happening. But also, just the way you put the forks and everything, the bottoms of some of the forks will also not fall out of the bottom if you have spoons that are very thin. So I have some spoons where the handle in the past from my old model will actually fall through these areas. Whereas with this, it's just, the combination of the versatility in addition to just the smaller hole size and the way you're able to fit the utensils was a perfect match. Even though it wasn't one of those models that was, all the way across. So it's not like this, even though this particular one you could actually separate it into three pieces, which I've never done in all the 10 years that I've had this dishwasher. But what I like about this is I don't have to line the utensils all the way on one side, because as you know, sometimes with the dishwasher, there are certain places where it washes better than other places. So I like to spread out the utensil basket into two separate places. And also, if you look at this, it does have the hooks here to just hook on, and it hooks on pretty tight. So a lot of these are fairly standard. You can see how tightly it's hooked on. So if you have this similar problem where you have to replace the baskets, this is actually versatile enough where it probably will work out for you regardless of what model dishwasher you have. This is a generic model. So I will have this link in the description area of the video where you could get this. You'll notice I could remove this and, you know, put other smaller stuff on here if I have to wash it. But that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.